Genetic technologies have many applications in society. They use knowledge of DNA, genes, and inheritance to solve problems involving living things. These technologies can be used in conservation, agriculture, industry, and medicine. They can help scientists understand genetic information, select useful traits, produce useful products, and treat or study disease. In conservation, genetic technologies can help scientists study genetic diversity in threatened species. Genetic diversity is important because it helps populations survive changes in their environment. Scientists can use genetic information to support breeding programs, reduce inbreeding, identify different populations, and make better decisions about species recovery. In agriculture, genetic technologies can be used to develop crops and animals with useful traits. For example, scientists may use genetic testing to help select animals for breeding or to identify plants with useful characteristics. Genetic engineering may also be used to develop crops that resist pests, disease, or harsh conditions. These applications can improve food production and reduce losses caused by pests or disease. In industry, genetically modified microorganisms can be used to make useful products. For example, bacteria can be engineered to produce human insulin, enzymes, or other useful chemicals. Microorganisms are useful because they reproduce quickly and can be grown in large numbers in controlled conditions. In medicine, genetic technologies can be used for genetic testing, gene therapy, disease research, and personalized medicine. Genetic testing can identify changes in DNA linked to inherited conditions. Gene therapy aims to treat, prevent, or cure some diseases by adding, replacing, or changing genetic information. These technologies can be very powerful, but they must be carefully evaluated. People need to consider safety, fairness, cost, access, environmental effects, and ethical concerns. Genetic technologies can solve important problems, but they need to be used responsibly.